In Arizona, in a divorce, or frequently in legal decision-making and parenting time cases, mediation is required by the court. Mediation is a circumstance where both parties appear in front of a neutral third party, who is usually a retired family court judge or an attorney who practices in the family court area. That mediator tries to help the parties come to an agreement on legal decision-making, parenting time, and other issues related to their divorce. In Arizona, mediation is mandatory unless you can get a waiver from the judge. A waiver is usually granted when it's a very high conflict divorce and the parties can't agree on anything. Typically, the judge has a lot of experience with these parties not agreeing with things, and the judge will simply say mediation isn't going to work. It's just a waste of money for the lawyers to be paid to go sit in front of a mediator for several hours and the parties not agree on anything. Mediation is, absent high conflict, always the way to go. And in my experience, having a mediator who is an experienced retired family court judge is always the way to go. The reason for that is that those retired judges basically know what the other judge who's going to hear your case is thinking. And so they can help you come to agreements based upon what you'd face if you had to go to trial. And it's always nice to have somebody who's experienced in the area, formerly a judge who carries that weight and that dignity and so forth, tell you that you're going to get this or you're going to get that, and help you come to a meeting of the minds. The benefits of collaborative divorce in Arizona basically are money. Collaborative divorce means that you hire a person to work through the issues in your divorce with you. You collaborate with that person. Typically, it doesn't require that you use attorneys because that person is usually an attorney themselves. And typically, it goes quicker than a regular divorce. However, collaborative divorce will never work unless both parties are willing to collaborate. That's a very rare occurrence in my experience in Arizona. In an Arizona divorce case, we don't have formal arbitration that's available. What is available is the parties can agree to appoint a third party to act as a judge, and the parties can go to that person and present their case, and that judge can enter final orders that are enforceable in court in front of the regular judge hearing the case. Typically, that person would be a retired family court judge in my experience.